The holy trinity of social media marketing. In just a few short years, the landscape of marketing has been turned upside down. Look at Pepsi-Cola. For the first time in 23 years, Pepsi-Cola ditched their 2009 Super Bowl advertising campaign and chose to put away over $20 million into social media marketing. Were they crazy? Or were they simply looking at the staggering growth of social media? Facebook has over 500 million active users who spend over 700 billion minutes on their site per month. In May 2010, Twitter reached nearly 2 billion tweets per month. In the U.S., time spent participating in social networks and reading blogs increased 210% year over year. Knowing this, companies like Pepsi have unveiled the secrets of social media marketing. What is it? The holy trinity of social media marketing. A successful social media campaign consists of three things: a blog, Twitter, and a Facebook business fan page. Why a blog? Interaction and engagement. A blog is a great way to interact with your followers. Your readers are able to comment on your posts and pages, giving you feedback and asking you questions. And you can comment and answer them back. Search engines love them. Search engines love blogs, especially when they are updated often with relevant, keyword-rich content. The golden email list. Last but not least is the ability for you to build an email list of loyal followers. This is perhaps one of the biggest advantages of having a blog, to encourage readers to opt into your email list. When you have an email list, at any time you can immediately send your readers promotions, new content or information, grand openings, notice of closeout sales, notice of upcoming events, seminars, you name it, the possibilities are endless. Why Twitter? Twitter is the second part of our holy trinity of building a presence on the web. Twitter is a free service that allows anyone to say almost anything in 140 characters or less. This kind of posting is sometimes called microblogging. It is projected that Twitter will have 26 million users by the end of 2010. That's over 5 times the number of users in 2008, which was 6 million users. That amount of growth is difficult to ignore. Announcing in real time. Twitter gives you the biggest real-time audience. In April 2010, Twitter was receiving 180 million unique visitors a month. In September 2010, Twitter was seeing 90 million tweets per day. When you tweet something on Twitter, the number of people who may potentially see your tweet is staggering. Networking. Twitter is an excellent way to network with others in your industry or others who share your views. Feedback and quality control. If you have a popular brand or product, Twitter is an excellent way to get real-time feedback. You can instantly read what people are saying to each other about your service or brand. Knowledge and trends. Twitter can give you a steady stream of content, ideas, links, and other resources about your industry. It is an excellent way to spot trends, and it is a powerful way to see what your competition is up to. Why a Facebook business fan page? The third part of our trinity is the Facebook business fan page. More and more users are becoming accustomed to and even expecting a business or brand to have a Facebook fan page. The growth is staggering. Starbucks, for example, had 11,204,005 fans as of July 28, 2010. This jumped up in 1 month, 16.04% to 13,758 fans by August 30th, 2010. That is close to 2 million fans in just 1 month. Provides a base for your business on the internet. With the Facebook business fan page, you have the opportunity to provide more information to prospects as well as customers about the products and services that you offer. You can add videos, status updates, audio, and more. Gives you the ability to build a loyal following. Facebook is all about community, engagement, and interaction. When a person likes your page, they become a fan. As your fan base increases, you gain what is called social proof that your service, product, brand, or celebrity is desirable. When a page has a lot of followers, new prospects are more likely to assume that what you're offering is good and will want to be part of it. Engagement. A Facebook fan page provides an inexpensive, actually it's free, channel of communication between you and your customers. Your Facebook fan page is a place where customers can write on your Facebook wall, ask and answer questions, interact with you and each other. Facebook business pages drive traffic to and increase the search engine ranking of your main website. You want to link your Facebook business fan page to your website. Getting even a small fraction of Facebook's huge amount of daily traffic to your website could significantly improve the amount of qualified traffic on your site. Google is now indexing Facebook fan pages, increasing your search engine exposure. Putting it all together. Social integration. Putting it all together. Using the holy trinity of social media marketing can give you maximum exposure, build your audience, customers, create brand, celebrity, service, or product loyalty, generate positive reputation, give social proof of your desirability, and give you feedback for quality control and improvement. Blog. Your blog is where you ultimately want your followers to end up. Your blog is your direct response website where readers will opt into your email list. A good email list is gold. You drive potential customers from Twitter and your Facebook business fan page to your blog by offering them good, useful content when they click through to your website. Your blog is also the best way to gain invaluable organic search traffic by boosting your search engine ranking with consistent, fresh, relevant, keyword-rich content. Twitter. Twitter is where you're able to have the most real-time interaction with your target audience. Update your Twitter feed often with interesting or useful content, peppering your tweets with links to your blog or Facebook business fan page, where followers can find more in-depth content such as articles, videos, recipes if you're a restaurant, how-to guides, and so on. Facebook business fan page. Your fan page is like a social club for your business, enterprise, brand, or celebrity. When you have good, interesting, or useful content on your fan page, readers will like your page and your following will grow. The more followers you have, the more social proof you have that you are offering something desirable. Pepper your fan page with links back to your blog by offering downloads, coupons, or other free items to entice fans to opt in to your blog's email list. There you have it. Put all three together: a blog, Twitter, a Facebook business fan page, and you have the holy trinity of social media marketing. And that leads to your success.